Hi, this is Kate. I'm reviewing Canvas today, and these are my published courses that I teach in Canvas, and I have an unpublished course below, so I'm going to go ahead and select that to show you how easy it is to add an assignment, a lesson, and an announcement in Canvas. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to just at the top here show you announcements, which are right here. I have none currently, so I'm going to go up to the right hand corner, plus announcement, and just type in a top title and some content, and then I will just save, and that sends it out. So now I have an announcement for the course. Assignment right below it, I'm going to click on that, and I can click on the plus assignment to add an assignment, and I will title it, assignment number 1, and I can give some instructions to the students. Please respond to this week's question here. I can assign points, give some guidance on how the students should respond, in what format, provide a number of attempts, and a due date, and give times, dates of availability so it can close out at a certain point. And I can save it. Of course, I need to answer the questions in order to do that. And then finally, I can add a page which can serve as my lesson. And look at that, I've already started one. So this is my lesson that I started working on. I can actually go to edit. I started typing lesson up here, and it's like a blank canvas, just like the name says. I can add in links. I can add in links within the course. For example, if I go to course link and I look under assignments, if I had saved it, I would have found my assignment. I created a module. I have a module here I just made that I can link in, and they are literal links within Canvas for the students to go to. Lots of content, lots of rich content opportunities all across this toolbar. And that's how you create a lesson. So that is Canvas. That's my review today. Thanks.